to True Projects. In this video, we are going to discuss about the project which is fake news detection in images, text and videos using machine learning. So before getting into the execution, let us understand what is the project about. So what comes into your mind when we think of news? News is nothing but it is the information about recent or current events. And it is how we learn about what's happening in the world around us. And we get news from various sources like newspapers, TV channels, social media, and even movies. So, keeping this part aside, have you ever come across something online that turned out to be untrue? That's what we called as fake news. Fake news is false or misleading information that deliberately spread through different media formats like images, videos, text, or even audio recordings. It can be created to mislead people, create confusion, manipulate opinions, or even cause harm. With the rise of social media and easy access to content creation tools, fake news spreads quickly and it can damage trust in reliable sources of information. So, don't you think that detecting this fake news is important? Yes, detecting fake news is crucial to maintaining the integrity of information. It helps preventing the spread of misinformation, protect public safety, and uphold democratic values. So that's why we need effective methods to detect and combat fake news across different media formats. All right, so what are we aiming to do in this project is we build a system that can spot fake news using some pretty cool machine learning algorithms. We are not just focusing on one type of information, either we are diving into images, text, and even video. By bringing all these sources together, we are going to use some machine learning algorithms and train to detect fake news. Out of all the algorithms built, we will be selecting best performing algorithm and deploy for detecting the fake news. And this project is a comparative study. So moving on to the flow of work, first we start by exploring the dataset of fake news to understand what is inside. Using visualization techniques, we create sample outcomes and a word cloud to see which word pops up the most. Then we clean up our text data too by removing URLs, punctuations, and unnecessary words. And we use something called count vectorizer to break down our text into manageable chunks for our models. After splitting our data into train and test, we dive into building our models using different algorithms like logistic regression, support vector machine, random forest, MLP, naive Bayes, and voting classifier. These models are trained using training data to make predictions. Once our models are ready, we select the best performing algorithm, that is voting classifier, which has performed well, and set up the Flash framework with SQLite integration to make our project deployable to detect fake news. So this is what we're going to do in this project. Moving on, to implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. In software requirements, we need application of Anaconda, primary language of Python, front-end framework of Flask, back-end framework of Jupyter Notebook, database of SQLite 3, front-end technologies are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Moving on to the hardware requirements, we need Windows operating system, i5 and above processor, 8 GB and above RAM, 25 GB and above hard disk. Moving on, these are the algorithms which are built in the project. So these are all the machine learning techniques. From all the algorithms built, voting classifier, it has performed well in detecting fake news. So we have deployed it in the front end to detect fake news. So let us understand what is this voting classifier. Voting classifier, it is an ensemble learning technique and it combines predictions from multiple individual models. So here we have combined support vector machine, random forest, and decision trees. Each of this model independently analyzes various aspects of media content such as text, images, and video to predict the authenticity of news articles and multimedia sources. The voting classifier then aggregates these individual predictions using methods like majority voting or weighted average voting to make a final determination about whether a piece of content is likely to be a fake or genuine news. By leveraging the diverse perspectives of multi models across different modalities, the voting classifier aims to enhance the accuracy and reliability of fake news detection, potentially surpassing the performance of any single model. So we have understood what is voting classifier. Now we will execute the project. To execute it, first we have to open the code folder which contains source code files. So these are the source code files in the code folder of the project. So now we will understand each file, how will it be used in the project. So here in the first folder, we have the data set used in the project. So this is the data set. Here the first column is ID of the each individual text. And here we have titles for the each text. And these are the texts. And for each text, we have subject of the text, that is news, world news, politics, or the news it belongs to. Similarly, we have all of the subjects. So this is the date. And here in the last column, we have the label, which is target column. Here, 1 refers to it as real news and 0 refers to fake news. So this text is real news and this text is fake news. Similarly, for all of the text, we have 1, which means it is real, and 0 means it is fake. So we will use this complete data set to train all the algorithms to detect whether it is fake news or real news. So now close this, get back. Here in the images folder, we have the images. So these are the images used in the front end to detect fake news or real news the image has in it. So the text will be extracted from these images using Tesseract, and then we will detect fake or real news. So get back. This is the static folder. This folder contains files related to project styling and interactivity. They include CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. These resources are crucial for enhancing visual appeal and functionality of the project's web interface. And moving on to the next folder, which is templates folder, here lies all the HTML pages utilized in the project. They are index.html, about.html, etc. Each HTML file represents a different page of the website and provides the structure and the layout for displaying content to the users. And here in the video folder, we have 3 videos. So we will use all the 3 videos to detect whether the video has fake news in it or real news in it. We will extract text from the videos using Tesseract, and then we will detect whether the video has fake news or real news. So get back. This is app.py file. This is Python file. It encompasses the front-end logic of the project and it handles server-side operations including processing user requests, interacting with the database, and dynamically generating content to be presented in HTML templates. These are the model files which contain algorithm information. They will be loaded into the project code during runtime. These are the 2 IPYNB files which contain the codes. These are the Jupyter Notebook files. These files contain the combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place, and it allows users to write and execute code in individual cells. This is the signup.db file. This file is a database file which is used to store the user information. So here we have sample file in which we have text related test cases. So these are the test cases related to text. So we'll be using these texts to detect whether they are fake news or not fake news. So now close this. Now we will execute the project. So to execute it, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So I'm copying it. Now we need to open the Anaconda prompt. Here, using the command cd followed by the space, we need to paste the copied path. Now click on enter. So here we can observe that current directory is changed to the code folders path. Now we need to compile app.py file. So give the command python space app.py and now click on enter. This command will execute Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running app.py file, Flash framework will host the application locally at the default address, which is the local host, and the port unless configured differently. Now we need to copy this local link provided by the framework and paste it in any web browser. So I'm copying the link. I prefer Google Chrome, so I will paste it in that. Here we need to paste the link and then click on enter. So this is the web page of the project, which is displayed in the user. And this web page is built using Flash framework. So first we need to sign up, click on sign up. and enter all the registration details if you are signing up newly. I have already signed up and have an account in it, so I will directly sign in. Click on sign in. And here we need to provide username and the password. So I'm giving my username and the password to sign in. So now click on sign in. We have signed in successfully and we are redirected to prediction page. I already told you that we'll be detecting fake news from images, text, and video. So first we will detect fake news from images. So click on image link. Here we can see a choose file button. We need to click on that for uploading the images. So click on choose file. These are the images using which we'll be detecting fake news. So I'm going to upload the first image. Click on open. Image is loaded. Now click on upload. So this is the uploaded image and this is the message in the uploaded image. Here we got the prediction for the uploaded image as it contains real news in it. So now we will try using some more images. Click on try again. Click on choose file. This time we'll be uploading third image. So this is the uploaded image. For the given input image, it has predicted as it contains real news in the image. We'll try using some more images. Click on try again. Click on choose file. So we'll be uploading the seventh image. So here we have the uploaded image and it has predicted as fake, which means that the image has fake news in it. So now we'll try using some more images. Click on try again. Click on choose file. Now we will upload the eighth image. Click on open and now upload it. So based on the uploaded image, we got the prediction as fake, which means that the message in the image contains fake news in it, which is false news. So as of now, we did prediction for the images. Now we will do the prediction of fake news from text. So click on text link. Here we can see a text box wherein we need to give the input message. So here in the sample file, we have some of the test cases of text. So I'm going to copy the first test case. Get back to the web application. Here we need to paste the text. And now click on predict. So this is the message which we have entered. For the given message, it has predicted as real post, which means that it has real news in it. Now we will try giving some more messages. So click on text again. So get back to the sample file. I'm going to copy the second case. Get back to the application. Here we need to paste the message. So this is the message. Now click on predict. So for the given message, this is the given message. We got the prediction as the text is real post. It doesn't have any fake news in it. So now we will try giving some more messages. So click on text. Get back to the test cases sample. We'll be copying this message. Get back to the application, paste it here. Click on predict. So this is the given message. For the given message, it has correctly predicted as it is fake post, which means that it has fake news in it. Now we will try giving some more messages. So click on text. Get back to the sample file. We'll be copying this message. Get back to the application, paste it here, click on predict. So this is the message that we have entered and it has correctly predicted as it is fake post, which means that it has fake news in it. So now we'll try giving one more message. Click on text, get back to the sample file. This time we'll be copying this test case, copy it, paste it, click on predict. So this is the message that we have entered and it has correctly predicted as it is real post, which means that it doesn't have any fake news in it. As of now, we have predicted fake news from images and text. Now we will detect fake news from videos. So click on video link. Here we can see a choose file button. We need to click on that for uploading the video files. So click on choose file. These are the video files that we need to upload. So I'm going to select the first video and now click on open. And now click on upload. As it is the video, it is taking some time. So we need to wait until it detects the fake news. So here we got the detection. So this is the text extracted from the video. And for this text, it has predicted as the text contains real post, which means that it has real news in it. So now we will try uploading some more videos. So click on video link, click on choose file. Now we will upload the second video. So here we got the prediction. This is the extracted text from the video. And here it has correctly predicted as the text is real post, which means that the text has, that is the video has real news in it. Tesseract will extract this text from the video. So now we will give one more video. Click on video, click on choose file. This time we'll be uploading the last video. So here we got the prediction. This is the extracted text from the video. And it has correctly predicted as the text contains real post in it, which means that the text has real news in it. We have done detection of fake news from images, text, videos. So now we will sign out. The project has showcased the power of combining multimodal analysis and ensemble learning methodologies like voting classifier to combat the proliferation of fake news. By leveraging diverse data sources and advanced machine learning techniques, we have developed a sophisticated system poised to make significant strides in addressing the challenges posed by misinformation in today's digital landscape.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.